mathematics. Okay. So here it is basics of straight line for IIT JEE. Okay, na? So here basics, today's class on basics of straight line for IIT JEE. Right. What is the difference between straight line and line segment? Okay, na? What is a straight line and a line segment? What is the difference between them? For suppose here it is, see, this is here it is ends continuously going on. Here it is. Understand? This is the straight line. Understand? Next, line segment it is now. Here it is A. Next it is B. This is a fixed ends. Understand? So it is called the straight line. Straight line has no ends. It is continuously going on. Line segment is AB. Okay, na? Understand? Note, line segment is a part of a line. Understand? Is clear? Line segment is a part of a line. So this is the line A. Okay, na? This is the line. So here it is A and it is B. Okay, na? Line it is now AB. It is going on. Line segment, it is a part of a line now. AB. That's all. Okay, na? Understand? AB. Right. It is a line segment. Okay, na? It is a line segment. Line segment it is. It is a line AB. So here it is observed it is now. Here it is AB. AB is a part of a line now. Line segment is a part of a line. Now is okay? Next. So here it is straight line and a line segment. Okay. Next, types of lines now. Types of lines. Types of lines. First one it is horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Okay. Indicate horizontal lines in the graph. Draw x-axis. It is x. It is x dash. So it is y. Y dash. So here it is origin. Understand? So here it is. This is the line now. L1. Next, this is a line to above x-axis. Below also possible there. Infinite lines are there now. It is L3. It is L4. Okay. Right. How to write down? What are the horizontal lines? Lines parallel to x-axis are called horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Okay, na? Any doubt? Is clear? Horizontal lines. Understand? Okay. Second type of lines till now. Second type. Vertical lines. Okay. What are the vertical lines? Indicate in the graph. X-axis. It is x. It is negative side of x. So it is y. Negative side of y dash. It is origin. Okay. Next. So it is L1. So it is L2. Observe it is L2. It is L3. It is L4. Okay, na? Understand? Definition tell now. Lines parallel to y-axis are called vertical lines. Okay, na? Vertical lines. Right. Observe above. It is note what you are observing here above. X-axis is horizontal line or vertical line. X-axis is also a one of horizontal lines. Next, y-axis is also one of vertical lines. Understand? Observe it is now. So here it is x-axis. It is also a horizontal line. Observe it is x-axis also a one of the horizontal lines. Right. Next, y-axis. Y-axis also one of the horizontal lines. Okay. Right. Next, third type. Third type of the lines. Types of the lines now. Present is types of lines. First type is horizontal line. Second one is vertical line. Next, third type is inclined lines. Inclined lines. Other name it is oblique lines. Okay, inclined lines or oblique lines. So this is underlined now. What are the inclined lines? Draw the graph. It is x. It is x dash. It is y. It is y dash. It is origin. Okay. So this is one line. L1. This is another line. L2. Not only in this way, it is also line 3. Okay. It is also line 4. Line 4. Okay. Lines which are not parallel to x-axis and y-axis are called inclined lines. Inclined lines, or other name it is oblique lines. OBLIQUE, oblique lines. Understand? Okay, na? Right. Here it is straight line and line segment. Okay, difference between a straight line and line segment. Next concept it is types of lines. Next, types of lines. Okay. Next concept it is now. Next concept. Inclination of the inclination of the straight line. It is denoted by theta. Okay. Inclination of the line. What is inclination of the line? Next it is draw the graph. X. It is x dash. So this is y. Y dash. It is origin. Okay. Inclination of the straight lines means it is draw one line in this way. It is L1. What is inclination? So this is the line makes an angle with x-axis is theta 1. And in this direction also angle it is theta 2. Okay, na? So here it is, this angle is positive side. Okay, na? So it is theta 1, correct. It is a negative side. So it is theta 2. It is not inclination. Okay. Theta 1 is inclination. Inclination of line L1. Understand? Theta 1. How to write now? Definition tell now. Line makes an angle with with positive direction, positive direction of x-axis. Okay, na? The angle is called, the line makes an angle with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, na? Is called inclination of the line. Inclination of the line. It is denoted by theta. Understand? Line makes an angle with positive direction of x-axis is called inclination of the line. It is denoted by theta. Right. So here it is. The graph it is now x. It is x dash. So here it is. What the inclination it is now? This is the line 2. Line 2. So this is a positive direction of x-axis. This is x, positive x. This angle is called theta. Okay, na? Understand? It is not theta. It is negative direction of x-axis. It is not angle. It is only angle. Okay, na? Theta value belongs to 0 degrees to here 0 degrees to here 180 degrees. 0 degrees to 180 degrees. So maximum value 180, minimum value 0 degrees. Understand? This can be written in this way also. 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Okay, na? Inclination of the line in first quadrant and second quadrants only. Any line can be expressed this. Okay, na? So this can be written in this way also. Theta 0 degrees less than or equal to 180 degrees. Theta less than or equal to 0 radians or pi radians in this way. Okay. Any doubt? Is clear now? Okay. For horizontal lines now. For horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. Okay. For horizontal lines. For the inclination it is now. Okay. So it is x. It is x dash. It is y. Y dash. It is origin. So this is a horizontal line. It is also horizontal line. X-axis also. It is also horizontal line. It is L1. Okay. It is L2. X-axis also horizontal line. Theta equal how much now? 0 degrees. Inclination is 0 degrees for horizontal lines. For this inclination how much? Theta equal to 0 degrees. It is also theta value how much? 0 degrees. It is also theta value 0 degrees. Understand? Next, for vertical lines, for vertical lines, draw the graph. Vertical lines. So here it is. Vertical lines draw. Y, it is y dash. X, it is x dash. It is a line 1. It is a line 2. These are the vertical lines. For the inclination, it is 90 degrees. Observe it is angle made by line with positive x-axis slope. Okay, na? Line makes an angle with the positive direction of x-axis is called inclination. This is a theta. Theta value 90 degrees. Here also. Theta value how much? 90 degrees. Next. For inclined lines, theta belongs to now inclined lines. The graph. Okay. X, it is x dash. It is y dash. So it is origin. So this is the inclined line. Understand? This is L1. Okay. So this value, another line it is in this way. L2, inclined lines. Okay. So theta value 0 degrees for horizontal, 90 degrees for vertical. Okay. Except these two now. So 0, 90. 0 degrees ఉండకూడదమ్మా, 90 degrees ఉండకూడదు. కాబట్టి ఓపెన్ బ్రాకెట్స్ యూనియన్ 90 to 180 degrees. ఓకేనమ్మా? Is clear now? 0 degrees. Theta not belongs to 0 degrees. Next theta not equal to 90 degrees. Except the and theta value not equal to 180 degrees. Okay na? Understand now? Okay. So inclination for the different lines over now. Inclination. What is inclination? Inclination of the straight line. Okay. This is for horizontal lines. Inclination 0 degrees. For vertical lines, inclination 90 degrees. For inclined lines, inclination is 0 to 90. Union 90 to 180. Theta value not equal to 0. Theta not equal to 90 degrees. Theta value not equal to 180 degrees. What the next concept it is now? These are all basics for the straight lines. Okay. Right. Next concept it is slope of the straight line. Straight line. It is a denoted letter M. Okay. Underline. Right. What is the slope of the line now? Simply it is M is equal to, okay, M is equal to tan theta. Simply. What is a theta? Theta is equal to inclination of the line now. In the above. Inclination of the straight line. This value belongs to 0 to 180 degrees. This value belongs to 0 to 180 degrees for horizontal line, vertical line, inclined line, everything. Okay, 0 to 180 degrees. Understand? Right. For vertical line, for horizontal line now. For horizontal line. ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ తీసుకున్నా మనం? హారిజాంటల్ లైన్, వర్టికల్ లైన్, ఇంక్లైన్ లైన్ మూడు నేర్చుకోవాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఫర్ హారిజాంటల్ లైన్ వాట్ ద స్లోప్ ఈజ్ నౌ? M is equal to how much? Tan of, for horizontal line inclination how much? 0 degrees. So tan 0 value 0. So M is equal to how much now? 0. Slope is equal to 0 for horizontal lines. Okay. So here it is a horizontal line slope. Okay. So here it is slope equal to 0 because x-axis is also horizontal line. it is a line 1, horizontal line 1, it is also slope 0. Next, it is a line 2, infinite lines in this way, all slope 0. Okay, for horizontal line slope equal to 0, right. Next, for vertical lines, theta equal how much? Theta equal to tan of 90 degrees. For vertical lines inclination how much in the above vertical line inclination how much? 90 degrees. So tan 90. So theta, I think it is wrong. Okay, this is the slope. M is equal to tan 90. Understand? Is correct? M is equal to tan 90. M is equal to tan of 90 degrees. Tan 90 how much now? Infinitive. Infinitive means not defined. Not defined. Infinitive means not defined. Understand? So it is infinitive symbol. It is the infinitive. Okay, na important it is infinitive. Right. Not defined. Vertical line, draw the graph. So y it is y dash, y axis also vertical line. It is 90 degrees. Slope not defined now. M value infinitive. Next, this is a line 2. Line 1 it is. Slope equal how much now? Infinitive. It is line 2. Okay na? It is also slope infinitive. Understand? Any doubt? Because of inclination 90 degrees all. Okay na? Y axis also vertical line. Slope is not defined. It is not defined. M is equal to infinitive means not defined. Understand? M is equal to not defined for vertical lines. Next, third one, horizontal lines. But first one it is horizontal lines over. Okay. Next, vertical lines over. Next, third one it is now for inclined lines. M is equal to inclined lines. Slope equal how much? Tan theta, where theta belongs to 0 to 90. Okay. Union 90 to 180 degrees. Okay. So here theta value not equal to 0 degrees because it is horizontal line. It is not horizontal line. Theta value 90 degrees and theta value not equal to 180 degrees. So it is horizontal line 180. 0 degrees also horizontal line. Theta value 90 degrees. It is a vertical line. These are the not. Okay. Because it is an inclined line or oblique lines. Slope equal M is equal to tan theta. Graph it is now for inclined lines. So X it is X dash. First of all, this is the line 1 now. L. This inclination is theta. Slope equal how much now? Slope equal to tangent of the inclination. So this is the inclination, positive x axis. Okay. So these are basics, very, very important. Okay. Next. So it is slope of line through A x1 y1 B x2 y2. So here it is, what the slope it is, first concept it is inclination, theta is inclination, slope is, so this is the first concept, understand. Next, inclination, okay, theta is equal to inclination, m is equal to tan theta. When 2 points are known now, this is the second concept it is, okay. Slope of a line through A x1 y1 B x2 y2. So this is the line now. So it is A x1 y1 B x2 y2. Okay, 2 points are there on the line. Only 2 points are there? No, infinite points are there in the line, but A x1 y1 B x2 y2 are we know. Okay, what is the slope now? Slope m is equal to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Understand? Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this can be written as r y1 minus y2 by x2 minus x1 minus x1 minus x2. This one correct. So it is y2 minus y1 by x1 minus x2 wrong. Next, it is y1 minus y2 by x2 minus x1. It is also wrong. So న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఎలా ఉందో కింద కూడా ఎక్స్ వై కోఆర్డినేట్స్ కూడా ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ వై కోఆర్డినేట్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Understand? How to get this one now? How to get the slope till now? For suppose it is x, it is x dash. So it is y, so y dash. So it is a x1 y1 for convenient. Okay, so this is b x2 y2. Draw perpendiculars now. This line makes an angle with, okay, in this way, because line passing through in this way continuously going on. Line AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. So AB is a line continuously going on. This angle it is a theta, inclination. Okay, right. Draw perpendiculars on x-axis. Okay, AX. Next, on y-axis, on x-axis from B, it is BX. Okay, draw perpendicular on it here also. Understand? It is for suppose C. So this value how much? This value how much? X1 it is horizontal. Okay, so this value how much now? So this value how much? This is the point B. It is x2 because it is origin x2. So in between value how much now? This is x2 minus x1. Understand? So in this way, so this value how much? So this is y1. Next, in this way, this value y2. So this value how much now? y2 minus y1. So it is theta now from triangle ABC. What is the tan theta? Tell. Tan theta opposite side. Trigonometry by adjacent side. Opposite side it is here, it is BC by AC. So this value how much now? BC value here, BC value how much here now? From the triangle it is y2 minus y1. Understand? So it is y2 minus y1 by AC value how much? x2 minus x1. Therefore